Good morning, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in Achievers MCQ series for BFM, Module A, International Banking. We are covering Forex and we'll be covering numerical today. Two numericals. Very, I would say, tricky ones. Not difficult, tricky ones. Okay. So follow this video completely. Okay. Also follow this series completely, because here we are covering all the important parts which are required for clearing this BFM. Okay, you have 4 subjects. I'll cover about the portion later. Okay, firstly, download Adda 24/7 app in your mobile. Everyone download it fast. Do it. Okay, because in this app you will be getting the premium study material, current affairs, job alerts, daily quizzes, live video lectures and notes, question banks, test. Everything is available. Why should you go here and there, isn't it? Also subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channels. Here 24/7 is very important. Okay, so click on subscribe to this, click on that bell icon. You will be getting all the updates for JAIIB, CAIIB and various banking exams. Plus also importantly, you will be getting the free YouTube series. Here I would say one simple rule of life: whatever is available freely, just grab it fast. Okay, move on. Chalo. These are the 2 new batches of English and bilingual for CAIIB. Here all the 4 subjects are covered. Here you have compulsory 4 subjects, ABM, BFM, ABFM and BRBL. More on this later. Let's start with the topic. On 22nd Feb, you received an import bill for USD 10,000. The bill has to be retired to debit the account of the customer. Interbank spot rate is given as 34.6572. See here, when we say 6572, these 00s are not counted. Okay, the spot of March is 55. The exchange margin for TT selling is 0.15% and exchange margin for bill selling is 0.2%. So find the rate applied. Now tell me something. Firstly, I've covered this here. That's what I say. Cover my entire series, because I've covered similar problem and gave you the logic also for import, what is to be done. Okay, so what have you received now? Import bill. Now answer fast. Will this be buying or selling? First answer me this. Will this be buying or selling? Everyone. I want the answer from everyone, because I've covered this already. Right? Import bill means selling. Right? So I'll take sell rate only. Clear? Second, will it be bill buying or TT buying? Bill selling or TT selling? See here, the bill has to be retired to debit the account of the customer. The interbank spot is given and March is given. Okay, so 22nd Feb you have received this bill. You have to retire this bill. Retire means what? Retire this bill means what? It's very simple. Retire means what? See here, I'll show you via image only over here. See here. You are what? Import bill. So you are a bank over here. Bank. Okay. This is your ex customer. He is your customer. Okay. What has happened? He has means you have issued an LC to somebody. LC is given. Say this LC. Okay. To some seller in, let's say, some other country. Okay. And your guy is a buyer over here. Buyer. Always remember, the one who issues the LC is buyer. Okay. So here you have issued a LC on his behalf, right, to this seller. Now what this seller has done, this seller has sent you the documents, all the documents. Okay, which are the 6 documents, important ones? Who can tell me the 6 documents? 2I, right, 2B and PC. Now tell me the full form of this. I won't tell you this, because I've covered this 1000 times, this topic. You type fast in the comment section. 2I means what? 2I means invoice insurance, correct? 2B means, yes, type fast, bill of lading and bill of exchange, correct? You guys attentive, huh? PC means packing list and certificate of origin. So these 6 documents the seller has prepared and sent you. Okay, now you have received these documents. Now retirement means what? Once you receive these documents, what is your role now? You are the issuer of that LC, so you have to pay. Now the payment should go from you. Okay, money, isn't it? Let's say dollars. Okay, so dollars should go from you, or rupees, you can call it anything. Rupees or dollars should go. So it's like this. LC goes first, then documents come, then payment goes from the issuing bank. Clear this concept? Everyone type yes in the comment section if you have understood this. This bank is called as issuing bank, the one who issues the LC. Clear this concept? Type yes. I need to see the yeses in the comment section. Okay, move on. Yeah. So what has happened now? This it's a sell transaction basically, and retirement means I have to pay. This is my stage right now. Here I am. I have to pay now. So what is the rate given? Interbank spot is given as 34.6572. What should I take now? 65 or 72? Type fast. Should I take 34.65 or should I take 34.72? How is the rate determined in any calculations? It's always look like this. It is buy over here and sell on the right side. Buy on the left, sell on the right. So it is 34 point. Here when we write 65, it means 34.65, and here when I write 72, it means 34.72. This 34 is understood to be available for both. Okay, so which rate should I take now? This or this? This, because I am doing it sell now. So I'll take this rate. But what should I take now? TT, spot or bill rate? Bill rate is when I am doing a future date transaction. Right now I am doing what? Present date transaction. I have received a bill and I have to pay. So I'll take spot now. TT or spot, we call the same thing. Okay. And is there any margin? Yes, TT margin is there. TT margin is for what? Okay. This, let's calculate this TT margin later. Okay. That's TT margin. Let's keep this point on a side track up till now. So let's first calculate the rates. So what is the rate I'll take now? 34.65 or 72? 34.72. Final, everyone got as? I'll take the rate as 34.72. Clear? Everyone. Is anyone having the doubt right now that 34.65 should be the rate? Is anyone having it? No. So you'll ask me, sir, this March rate, what do I do with this March rate? Put it in the dustbin. March rate, put it in the dustbin. Directly dustbin, I'll write it over here. Should I write it over here? I'll write it over here only. March rate equals to dustbin. Okay. No use, because we are dealing in spot over here. We have to retire the bill immediately. If this would have been some future dated transaction, after 1 month to retire, then it would have been of the March. Now this is dustbin. Okay. Now 2 points are over, selling and spot. Now TT. Which TT should I use? TT selling or buying? Bill selling. TT selling, bill selling. Which one should I use? Obviously I am doing TT, so TT only. Spot means equals to TT. So I'll use this 0.15%, right? So now, how do I use this? What do you do is 0.15% into this much percentage. So into 15%. Percent means divided by 100. So it comes down to, do the calculations everyone. Do the calculations. What is the answer you're getting? You guys, everyone. I need to see the answers from you. Then only I'll feel that I'm doing something worth, isn't it? So 34.72 into 0.15% means divided by 100. Okay, put 0015. So 34.72 into 0.0015, you will get this as 0.052. Got it? 0.052. Now what do I do with this? Should I add or subtract? So always remember in TT margin, when I am selling, it's always plus. When I am buying, it's always minus. So right now I am selling because I have already decided that it's a sell transaction. So I'll add this. So 34.72 plus 0.052. So this comes down to, everyone do it fast, plus 34.72. So it comes down to, what is the answer you're getting? Let me see the answer from your side first. Correct. Very good. 34.77. This is your final answer. Got it, everyone? This is your final answer, 34.77. So what rate should be applied? So 34.77 is the rate to be applied. Everyone, type everyone if you have understood. If not, type yes, not understood. Because it's simple transaction. And if you have not understood, I would again tell you, pause this video and watch it again. Okay? Because very simple trick. Firstly decide whether buy or sell. Then once you decide sell, then use the spot rate because it's a same day transaction. Then get the rate of selling. Once you get the rate of selling, immediately put the TT margins of TT selling, add them and answer. That's it. Type yes in the comment section if you have understood. Okay, move on. Before going ahead, see this. On 8th of January, we have arranged for the Felicitation Program of those students who have cleared JAIIB and CAIIB in November, December 22. So many of you might have cleared in November, this December 22 only, isn't it? November, December 22. So you can come over here. It's free. See this. Adda 24/7 will reimburse your 3-tier ticket on both sides. What do you require? Only that tea and lunch expenses. So that much you can manage. You can definitely come over here, isn't it? Immediately I would say, everyone register for this. There are online forms available in the comment section. Immediately register, or on the website also you can definitely register. If you are having the app, that's so simple, isn't it? In the app everything is available. Okay, next problem. Now this problem I've already made the calculations, but I will explain this problem to you. Why? Because this is a tougher problem. Let's see. Your exporter customer tenders an earlier bill was for import. Now this is for export. Your exporter customer tenders an export order for USD 5 lakhs. Here I have earlier had mentioned bill. So now it is order. Order means what? Whenever somebody gives you an order, it's a pre-shipment finance. There are two types of finances, pre and post. In post shipment, always bill is submitted. Bill. And in pre-shipment finance, order is submitted. Either order or LC, anything. Okay. So now, export order is submitted. So now tell me, is this pre or post shipment finance? Everyone type pre or post. Just write pre-post. What is the finance over here? Pre-shipment. Correct? Of USD 5 lakhs. Okay. CIF is given. Okay. These are called as Incoterms. CIF. I have covered this separately in earlier videos also. Okay. Just type Vishal Mantri Adda 24/7 and Incoterms. Okay. Insurance and freight are 10% of FOB cost. So see here, it's given insurance and freight are 10% of FOB cost and profit is 15% of the order. Okay. So profit is given as 15%. Okay. Of the order value. Calculate the amount of finance in dollars only. I don't want the exchange rate now. Only in dollars. So firstly, let's go step by step. Everyone, take him. Pre-shipment. It's a FOB. See here, always remember one important part. Pre-shipment finance is always done on FOB value, free on board value. Free on board means what? Okay, but that's a difficult topic. See here, I'll just explain you simple. This is the ship, right? This is the port, means this ship is near the port. Okay, and this is the sea. So when the ship is over here, I load the goods in the ship. Okay, so this lower part is called as board. This lower part. Okay, always the goods are loaded at the bottom of the ship. They are never loaded over here. This is called as deck. DECK, deck. Okay, and this is called as board. Loaded on board means goods are always loaded below. Have you seen the Titanic movie? But Titanic is far 96, 94, 95, 96 movie now gone, isn't it? New movies are, many of them are there. Just type on Google board and deck, you will get the information about this. Okay, so board means below, deck means above. Free on board means I have loaded the goods on board. Okay, now coming back to CIF. Here we always finance on FOB value. And what is given in this problem? It is given CIF. So how to come to CIF from FOB? Here it's simple. FOB plus insurance plus freight equals to CIF. Always remember this equation. FOB plus insurance plus freight equals to CIF. Everyone. Okay, mug up this equation. Now I want FOB value because my finance is on FOB, and CIF is given, but insurance and freight is also given. So what is insurance and freight? 10%. See this 10% given. But before that, profit is given 15%. Here, always remember 15% profit that is to be subtracted at the earliest first, because this order will also include the profit of this person. See here, if you are the businessman, imagine over there. If you quote somebody 5 lakhs rupees, won't you add your profit in this? So if I am the bank and I am giving you pre-shipment finance, I don't finance you for your profits. I finance you for your only manufacturing cost, isn't it? So 5 lakhs into 15%, first this is to be subtracted, 75,000. So this profit I'll subtract it. So what does it come to? 5 lakhs minus 75,000, it comes to 4,25,000. Now this is what? Is this my answer of FOB? No, I want FOB. This is CIF, isn't it? Profit is removed, but CIF is still there. So now I'll have to remove this insurance and freight. What is given? Both are combinedly 10%. So now remove 10% from this. 425 into 10%. So it is 42,500. Everyone trying this, or am I trying? Am I the only one who is doing the calculations? You tell me fast, everyone. Is everyone getting this 75,000 over here? Type yes in the comment section. Is everyone getting this 42,500? So then now 42,500 over here. Sorry, yeah. So now subtract it. 4,25,000 minus 42,500. You will get this as 382. No, why should I tell? You tell me. Are you getting this answer? 4,25,000 minus 42,500. Are you getting the answer as 3,82,500? This is my FOB value, isn't it? This is my FOB value. Everyone is getting this? Type yes or no, whatever. If you are not getting it, type no. Don't type yes. Everyone, otherwise yes, yes, yes. I am seeing all the yeses. Without trying also you will be typing yes. Don't do that. You have to give the exam, not me, isn't it? Okay. Now this is my FOB value. So based on this value, I'll finance the pre-shipment. Now the point is, do I finance the entire FOB value? No. Bank always finances 75% of this. So bank will finance 382,500 into 75%. It is what? What are you getting it? 286, 875. This much dollars bank will finance. Now if you want to convert it into rupees, then the rate should have been given over here, dollar rate. Okay, then we'll convert it into rupees also, isn't it? Got it, everyone? Clear concept? Move on. These were the two main problems which were to be covered today, because you all, I felt you all should know these problems, because one was for import, second was from export, right? Now about these two batches, see this, the two batches, English and bilingual, we cover all the numericals, case studies, objective questions, theory, whatever is required for all the 4 subjects, we cover it, okay? And the same way I have explained you. Now see here, even in this session, it's hardly about half an hour session, right? The classes are of huge time, right? And on a daily basis. So you will get much more detailed knowledge about this. Now about the fees, here huge discounts are available right now. Let's go to the fees part. Let me show you the fees part, okay? Because after all, money is important, isn't it? Just go to Adda 24/7 live, okay? If you are having the app, go to the app, I would suggest, because what happens is, in app you will be getting 1% extra. Click on this JAIIB and CAIIB. So this, click on this Mahapack. I would always suggest go for the Mahapacks. Why? Because you are getting many batches in this. So this, click on this CAIIB ka Mahapack. Double validity offer is going on right now. Double validity means 6 plus 6, 12 months. Same fees, double ka dhamaka, isn't it? Yeah. So now look at this. You read the details. 15 plus batches for all these 4 subjects. 15 plus batches. Even if you attend a single batch, 15 batches singly, then also you will clear CAIIB, isn't it? So recorded videos are available, video courses are available. You can go through this, okay? Main points I'll just cover. 15 plus batches, recorded videos, full length mock tests are available, then notes are available, everything is available, okay? And at what cost? Look at the cost, okay? 35,996. You'll say, sir, 35,996 is not a small amount. I say, don't pay this much. Click on view offers, isn't it? Put the code Y432, Y432. Never ever forget this code, Y432, okay? Apply. See this. Now the fees has reduced to 7199. What was the earlier fees? 35996. Now 7199. 80% off, and that also for 12 months. Now divide the 7199 by 12 months. What is your expense? How much do you spend for per month on tea? This is an investment for lifetime. Go for it. Okay. Now I'll show you the new portion also, because many of us don't know this portion only. All have joined, join for CAIIB, and we don't, because this portion has changed now, isn't it? See, these are the 4 subjects: ABM, BFM, ABFM, compulsory ones, and BRBL, banking regulations and business laws. Okay, so 4 compulsory and 1 elective. What are the elective? Look at this. Is there any retail over there? Are you seeing any retail? No. Rural, HR, IT, central and risk. Right? See above. Negative marking. Subjective questions. Subjective means what? You'll have to write that essay. Right? All this. Show the calculations. So that's why join the classes ASAP, because in classes you will be given the right guidance over there. Okay? I'll take the leave. Tomorrow I'll be back with another session. Till then, bye.